Warwick Chiropractic in Lacey, Olympia, Washington, your local Seattle Tacoma chiropractor. And today, the title of this video will be low back pain and balance specific exercises. And these are another great option of things that you can do for some of your home care and exercises to improve some of the specific balance in your body and health, which translates into your spine and your posture. And so you want to be looking at certain key things, but before we go into those balance exercises, definitely take a look at your footwear as one option. You know, obviously if your shoes are wearing out, whether it's the outside of the heel, the back of the heel, you drag your feet, you scuff them, however that is, a good pair of shoes can be really helpful, as well as getting orthotics and making sure you change those out. Change your shoes out every day. Wear a different pair. Get the orthotics to air out. If you have a leg length imbalance, you know, having the proper heel lift into the shoe can be really helpful. And having several heel lifts for your shoes at, you know, you're not always running around looking for that heel lift. And obviously, you know, when we start some of these exercises, make sure you use common sense. If you're having sharp pain or there's certain objects around you, I want you to just be aware of what you're doing, how you're doing it. You know, less is more. So first of all, the initial exercises, you want to stand with your feet together and hold the position longer each time. One, you want to do it while keeping the eyes closed and eventually eyes open. Your goal is to go about 30 seconds, so you can count off 1,000, 1,000, all the way up to 31,000. That's another great exercises to start with, and increasing the balance and challenging yourself a little more. The next thing you want to do after having the feet together and doing that, you want to move one foot in just slightly in front of the other. You can also keep your eyes open and eventually close for the following exercise. Start out with 1,000, 1,000, all the way up to 31,000. Then switch feet. Bring your right foot slightly in front of your left foot, you know, where heel and toe into this position like this to maintain some of that balance. Do it open, eyes open, and then do it eyes closed, because you're using different portions of the brain and your spinal nervous system and causing the different nerves and muscles to contract. That's what you want. The next thing to do would repeat that, and you could take a really thin pillow, or even if you have like a wobble cushion or one of those rocker boards, you can do the same thing, but this time be careful. You know, maybe use the frame of the door to do the actual exercise in, and so you can maintain or have some balance. Maybe do that. So start out with eyes open so you can get oriented with your environment around you, and then do 30 seconds with eyes closed. You know, obviously being careful. Do not risk the area falling, and that's why I said the door frame is a really good idea. Now you can move into some of the rocker board exercises, and the rocker board exercise can be done, one, looking straight ahead, and you don't want to be looking down at your feet. So make sure the board you're using where you're safe, and you can step forwards and backwards on the board. If you have it too high off the ground, 3 inches about max of what you want to do, and repeat that slowly. You know, you can be up to 10 minutes in duration of time. I think that's a little bit long, but periodically, this one you want to periodically open your eyes, close your eyes while you're doing it as well. There's also, if you do another, we call it stand at a 45-degree angle on that rocker board, and then a front to back motion on it as you're at a 45-degree on that rocker board that tips back and forth like this. You can also go like this as well, 45-degree angle, and the board rocks back and forth as well. This changes things up. You can even get even more creative with this, making up exercises on the rocker board or cushion. You can even incorporate certain things like you do a stimulate, or doing a golf swing, or doing a tennis stroke on there, or whatever favorite sport or yoga move to increase the function of the motor programming of your spine, your nervous system, and the muscles that respond to it. You know, you can have fun with doing this. It's not a complicated exercise, but you're incorporating balance into it, and that's the key thing with doing whatever exercise that you do. And one of the things I incorporate even is by simply raising a foot up slightly or a leg up slightly, so the pelvic muscles start engaging, and then do it to the opposite side. So guys, thank you for watching. This is low back pain, balance specific exercise to improve function. I'm Dr. David Warwick of Warwick Chiropractic in Lacey, Olympia, Washington, your local Seattle Tacoma chiropractor here in the South Puget Sound. Visit my YouTube channel for more exercises, my website, drdavidwarwick.com. I'll see you soon. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye-bye.